Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a little bit of a different intro from me. I'm actually editing my bathroom organization video, and the other day, I don't know if you follow me along on Instagram, I'll pop it up here, but I was sharing that I was decluttering my office, and it was a big huge mess. I filmed it, my battery ran out, and I didn't film the rest of it. And then I thought I would show the reveal, even though I had a little bit of footage missing of me sorting everything out. A couple of days later, I got some containers and I sorted a few things, and I actually got things out and popped them in the rooms. And when I went to edit another video that went up the other day, I thought I had lost all the footage and I was really disappointed. But anyway, long story short, I just sat down to edit my bathroom organization video, and up pops the video footage of me cleaning the office space. So I wasn't going to pop this into a video, but I thought if someone has a room like this and they need some motivation to get it done, I thought I would pop it up on my channel and show you that my house is not perfect. I have spaces, I share it with you all the time when I go to organize it, that it is an absolute tip in some areas, but I wanted to upload this, show you what it ended up looking like in the end, and some progress of me clearing this room, and hopefully it gives you some motivation if you have that room of doom. So I'm going to pop in the intro still that I did the other day, pop all the footage in, and at the end have a look how it looks now. It's not perfect, but at least I can twirl around in there. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. I hope it gives you all the motivation to declutter and organize, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Michelle and I'm a mum of 3 gorgeous children. 2 are teenagers and 1 is 10. So I've got 3 children in double digits and I'm feeling rather old. But I am going to be starting to look after my nephew 2 days a week, and I need to set up a little space there where I can pop up a porta cot for him and he can have a sleep during the day. He is just 4 months old and is absolutely adorable, but there is no way I can let him be in this room at the moment in the state that it's in. This is a room that, I am not kidding you, it is bad. Like, it's one of those rooms where I can barely open the door. It's where I put things to die. Basically any project that I have going on that I need to do organizing for rooms, I throw it all in there. When I declutter rooms, I throw that in there. I've got the beach towels that will eventually be going downstairs for our pool area. I've got stuff for Izzy's bedroom makeover. I've got our office stuff. It is in shambles, and I'm completely embarrassed to be showing you this, but I want to keep it real on my channel and I need to get this done. I'm starting to look after him as of tomorrow, and I want to have it all nice and tidy for him, and also I want to be able to have it neat and tidy so I can get Chris to fix the water damage that is up in above my office area. This room will eventually be where our internal stairs are going, but until that happens, I want it still to be a functional room where I can have a little cot in there and have a working office, so I'm not doing any office work out in the living room. So enough chattering from me. I am going to take you with me. I don't even know where I'm going to pop a tripod to film this. This is how bad it is. And show you my room of doom. Okay, here we go. So basically at the moment I do hurdles into this room. I was never good at sport, but since having this room I certainly know how to hurdle over things. So here I have some towels. I have the bag that we got the other day when we went to IKEA. I have some lights that are for renos. This timber ladder that's for cat scratches. The kids' Sylvanians that I want to pop in a box. Around here, there's things for Izzy's room. This wall is going to be painted, and I want to clean the window and pop the blind down, but eventually this is where the internal stairs are going. Yeah. Can you see the floor? Oh, look. There's a bit there. And there's more stuff to go in Izzy's room. The stuffed toys that I've taken out of her room. There's a light fitting that I want to put in my laundry. Basically, I've got to wipe all this over. This is the bit that needs to be fixed. The ceiling still needs to be painted. It's from when it was originally done. So once I've cleared it all up, fingers crossed that I'll be able to get Chris in here to help me paint it. I started to paint it grey in here and then was like, what am I doing? So this is all going to be tidied up today. There's even a Christmas present for my niece because I haven't seen her. Oh, it's bad. It's really, really bad. I've even got some beautiful products here from the beautiful Emma that I want to do in my bathroom organization and cleaning video. I'll show you them. They are beautiful. So if you are wanting to get some candles or diffusers or wax melts, she even does bath crystals now, and you are in Australia, I will share her account below. She is an absolute sweetheart. If you follow me on Instagram, I always talk about Emma. I absolutely adore her and I love supporting her small business. But enough chatting from me because I do not have a lot of time this afternoon. Wish me good luck. So I think I'm going to have to pop my mini tripod on here until I make some room, and then I'll be able to pop my big tripod on. But I'll just show you Emma's. This is her diffuser, and then you can pop the reeds in. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous it is. And then her coconut and lemongrass candle. She's got different fragrances. And her wax melts, which I pop in the Scentsy wax melt burner. Is it focusing? Fresh ginger and green tea. This smells amazing, and this is a new product that she has made, and I cannot wait to have a bath. I may need it after I've done this room, but this is the Relax Blend Bath Salts Lavender. Oh my gosh, look at it. Just absolutely gorgeous. But I'll link Emma below. She is an absolute sweetie. She's a Brisbane girl like myself, and I love supporting small businesses.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is. Wait.
I think for safety reasons, I'm going to clean this area first, because if I'm in here and I need to get out, this is not safe. So, Juki, are you going to help Mum? He's like, Mum, what are you doing?
I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything, I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love.
I would love for you to comment below if you have a room of doom, or If you do have somebody that you know has a room of doom and would be motivated by this video, I would love for you to share it and let them know. A lot of these things, as I said earlier, I have already put away, like that bench seat. I got that from Aldi, that's in Izzy's room, but I didn't want to show you because the girls are having a room reveal coming up soon, and that mirror in the box there, we had it in the box for months thinking it was way too big. It goes to show you should unpack things. But anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying this and are feeling motivated.
So wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in. So wish me good luck. Oh, yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Turn up the love. Because it's on. Ooh, ooh. I keep my fingers crossed. Oh, yeah, it's on. Ooh, oh, ooh. Let's turn up the love. Let's turn up the love.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium.
Let me know if you move things around like 100 times when you're decluttering and you feel like, is it ever going to end? But I must say, this only took me probably an hour and 20 minutes to actually declutter. I know I still have a fair bit left in here, but it didn't take too long. So if you are feeling like it's too overwhelming, just get in, do a little bit at a time, and when you start seeing it clearing up, it actually keeps motivating you to keep going. So I really hope if you do have that room of doom that this does inspire you to tackle that room.
Bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium.
Care about me cause you're lonely, cause I'm the only one around. You say you are better safe than sorry, cause you're too scared to hit the ground. Might seem dark but you know that I'm honest. Might look broke but you know I can solve it. Do you care about me cause you're lonely, cause I'm the only one around. I don't wanna be your blanket that you wrap around to forget about. I don't wanna be the same thing that you left before. Do it all once more. I don't wanna be your blanket that you wrap around to forget about. I don't wanna be the same thing that you left before. Do it all once more. I feel like my head is underwater. Feel the pressure building up. Never let myself become a martyr. Won't let anybody pick me up. Thought I was in control, that I'd handle you. Turns out I am lost, don't know what to do. I feel like my head is underwater. Feel the pressure building up. I don't wanna be your blanket that you wrap around to forget about. I don't wanna be the same thing that you left before. Do it all once more.
For giveaway, this is our spare pedestal fan. These are to go up in our dining room. The kids' Sylvanians are packed here. They'll be popped in our downstairs renovation. Some stuff for Isabel's room, the curtains, her rug. This rug is absolutely gorgeous. She got it for her birthday the other day. It is from Bunnings. Oh man, it's so stunning. I cannot wait to do her room reveal. That is for charity shop. And then I'm just panning around here. This is where I just pop my nephew in when he goes, when he comes over for a visit. He can just have a little sleep in here. I've got some organizing bits for doing organization around the home. I got these shoe packets from Bunnings, and I am going to be popping all of my Christmas decorations in there. So I'm going to go through the Christmas decorations, and there you go. So this is all leftover organization for the home. And here, this is going to be my office desk. So this used to be a wardrobe. I'm going to paint this hopefully in the next week or so. And this is going to be all painted white. I started to paint it grey. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the video. I need to get some containers for our Halloween, St. Paddy's Day and Easter decor. This is all for my office. This is a rug to go in Liv's room. I'm just going to paint it all. My candles, I need to find a basket. I think I'm going to pop them in these wicker baskets from IKEA. So keep your eyes peeled. There is going to be a room reveal basically only of this side, because this will be my office. This eventually, hopefully very soon, our internal stairs will be going here, and this will actually be taken down so it's more open. I really want that to happen. I'm not sure if Chris is up for that, but this was a wall that my dad built when he made the 2 bedrooms. If you want to know more about our home renovation, head on over to my Instagram. This actually used to be Liv's room. And this wall, if it stays, will just be painted alabaster as well as the wall. Or I'm thinking of doing infinity white like I did in my laundry. But I just wanted to share this video with you that, yes, it's not a perfect room, but if you get motivated and get in, then you can declutter.